What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you can see by the title, today is going to be an unboxing on my Circle D converter. I waited about a month for this to come in, but I guess with all this Corona stuff going on, I guess it's reasonable. But here we go. I already opened it just to check everything's right, but you get a box, decent sized box. And it has, oh snap, messed that up. So you get this little thing for your beverages, Circle D. You get a sticker, a black one, and then a white one. Comes with this little card. Circle D Specialties. Comes with a pack of 3 bolts and some Loctite. That's pretty much it. And I guess those washers are spacers if you need it. I was reading up on those as spacers in case the converter is too far up or too far back. I'm not too sure, but it's spacers. Apparently that's what they are. And then they come with your sheet of what you ordered. In my case, this is a 6.0 with a 4080E from a 1500 HD truck. So this is what would fit my truck, and this is I ordered a 37 through 3800 stall. So in case you're interested in the same thing, this would be what you would ask for. I think it's those numbers right there. I'm not too sure, but they are made to your build. Like, you have to call them and tell them what it's going in, what are you running, what's the purpose of the build, and they'll make one for you. The reason I got this, or this specific one, was because of the cam I got. I got the Texas Speed BFD cam, and it's recommended for this size stall. Not this brand. I was gonna go with another brand, but because I called Texas Speed, but they told me they weren't making any stalls at the moment, so I went with Circle D, and so far it looks good. So it comes with this little protecting sponge thing, and another one, and boom, there you go. It's actually way smaller than my stock one, which I didn't think it would be smaller, since it's apparently it's better. Not too sure what's inside the converters, but I just assumed it would be the same size as my stock one, but no, it's way smaller. And the height of it is smaller, and the whole diameter is also smaller. So I thought that was pretty interesting. Comes with more protection sponge things. That's one of the things. It's really well protected. It's really well packaged, so I'm glad for that. It's a little dirty because I was moving it around yesterday, test fitting it, make sure everything was gonna work right. Comes with this little protection. It's empty. They come empty. You have to fill them up, lube them up, or put some oil in there first. Really nice. Let me put y'all down for a second. It doesn't come this dirty when you get it. This is just me after I mess with it, but yeah, look at that. It says single, so it's 4L80 for 4L80 transmission, and this is single because it's a single disc. You can get triple disc, I think, or something like that, but I guess they're more for towing or more handling more, I guess. But here y'all go. It says build date July 2020. Boom. And that's their phone number. And they also come, I ordered it through Texas Speed and Performance, so that's why they wrote that. And somewhere else, here, I'm gonna put y'all down one more time. Here I go. So this is what this converter is, what it's made for, I guess. That's like the part number right there. So it's 0511043C as in cat. So yeah, there you go. That's what you can expect when you get a Circle D Specialties stall. Pretty happy with it. Came in well protected, not damaged at all. Everything seems good. Test fitted perfect. Even though it is smaller than my stock converter, this neck part of it, I did my best to get a level surface and measured it. This is the same height as my stock one, so this is what goes into the transmission, which means if this is the same, this is gonna like stick out. I mean, it's all gonna fit exactly the same. That's what I'm trying to get at. So I already test fitted it, and seems like everything's gonna work out right. So cross my fingers on that. I already have my truck ready. I actually built some little stands for it. Lifted it up about 2 feet off the ground. Dropped my tranny. I put a new filter on there just because. I'm gonna put all new fluid in there just because. You know, might as well, now that I have it down, do some service on it. But I should have the truck running by today. Just bolt everything back up. You know, if everything goes good, it should be up and running today. So I'm gonna get to it, so I can have it running and do a test drive, see how it feels, how everything turns out. And I'll probably give y'all guys a little update video. But for now, that will be it for this video. Y'all stay tuned for when I get everything done on the truck, as in install and cam's already ready, and then I'm gonna take it to get tuned, and then we'll do some pulls and hopefully get some racing in, and I'll give y'all videos on that. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment any questions you guys may have. I'll catch you on the next one.